Close your eyes and take a breath into your heart. Feel the earth awakening beneath you. Spring is not outside you, it's in you. You are part of this quantum field where everything is being always reborn, including you. Breathe in the colors: red, yellow, violet, white. Each one carries a frequency. Each one speaks to your soul. Breathe in the perfume: sweet, soft, fresh. This is not just nature. This is creation whispering. Remember who you are. You're not broken. You are blooming. You're not lost. You're returning to your truth. You're not seasoned. You are becoming. Hold the image of a flower, closed and then slowly opening. Feel yourself opening with it. Let the past fall like petals to the ground and rise again, new, radiant, magnetic. Remember to blossom. You are the beauty. You are the breath. You are the divine, reborn each spring.